Hey guys, so this is the part 2 of the polynomials. You can watch the part 1, the introduction of polynomials, in my last video. So in the last video, I told you about coefficients, terms, and what a polynomial is. In this video, I'm going to show how to add polynomials. Adding polynomials is essentially, let's say you have this as a polynomial and you want to add it. Now how are you going to add this? We have variables and exponents. What are we going to do with them? What we can do is we can look for terms that have the same variable and the same number of exponents. So I see a 4x2, 4x to the power of 2, and 5x to the power of 2. So we can write these two together. And the rest are not like terms. The negative 3x is not a like term because it doesn't have two exponents and the negative 2 is just alone. So we're just going to write this. Now we can add these two. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 times x to the power of 2 minus 3x minus 2. That's all you do. Let's do another example. So over here, I'm going to write another polynomial. So over here, I see two like terms, and it's already written in the form we need it to be. So this 2 times x to the power of 2 and 3 times x to the power of 2 are like terms. So, and we're subtracting them because there's a negative sign in front of the 3, which means this is negative. And when we subtract this, we're going to have negative 1 x2, and then we're going to add this by 7x minus 3x. So we can just write this, and we can subtract this. So 7 minus 3, 4 times x, and then you just have the 2 alone. And over here I see a 1 with a variable. You can either write this as x, this, or you can write this with the 1. Doesn't matter. We usually write it without the 1 because when you subtract 1 by this, it's not going to change anything, and we just keep the negative sign so we know it's negative. And that's basically how you add and subtract polynomials. Please subscribe, share, like,